What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be getting some of the new cosmetics down there. I'm going to spending $20 for this. So,
are you gonna unlock?
Please subscribe.
Some items down here.
All right, come on, let's go.
There is also some. There is also an item down here.
But these are
Usually go to the moon.
yeah. I don't have enough for this.
Wait.
Going straight to the $20. Oh, I just did it. Oh. Alright, the first suit. Overlock set. Oh, I got it. The second. Hold up. I'm gonna go automatically to the Nexus set. I got it.
Dude,
I do have 1,000.
Your picture looks awesome with that on. Yo, if you change your color code,
this looks cool, bro. Oh no! this
your
looks
color
fire.
a bit, then it will look awesome.
Research points.
Get research points.
Oh. Yes! I got 6 research!
Take this back.
Cards!
You see this, Mike? Dude.
Alright, my favorite color, purple! And I got the Overlock set! This looks fire! Fire! Oh, crap. Fire!
The purple? Oh yeah, that's the other one. Next you should... Hey, can you have my car.
Well, guys, that was it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Sorry.
And turn that notification bell on. See you in the next video. Please get me to 100 subscribers. Please.
See you in the next video. Bye.